The past couple weeks have been quite a ride. The stock market has reminded us not to get focused on the short-term ups and downs, but to really stay focused on the long term. The S&P 500 bounced back from its worst week of 2024 to having its best week of 2024. And the worries about economic growth that were weighing down the markets this past week seem to vanish. And we got some good news. And the consumer price index dropped to its lowest point since February 2021. And this is great news because this is another reason for the Federal Reserve to cut interest rates sooner than later. With this in mind, the yield curve started to normalize, which means the 2-year and the 10-year US Treasury actually started to move together. Almost all sectors of the S&P 500 did well, except for energy. Tech stocks were the big winner this past week, jumping by 7.3%. Real estate and utilities also did well too, rising 3.4%. Overall, the S&P had a combined increase of 4%, which was a big turnaround from this past week. Looking ahead, all eyes will be on the Federal Reserve in their upcoming meeting. It's almost certain that we know there'll be interest rate cuts, but the size of those cuts is still up in the air. Stay tuned for more updates, and definitely remember to keep your eye on the long-term horizon. Reach out for any market volatility questions, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.